Hi everybody. So what I wanted to do today was from a spreadsheet generate emails. But what we're going to do first is generate a Google document. Once the document's created, it's going to paste the URL to the Google document in column G, and then it's going to convert the document to a PDF, and it's going to send that via email. So first we're going to generate a document. While that script's running, let me run through how it works. Basically, it goes line by line, going through the HOA. It's going to insert test 1 as the title. It's going to write Parker as the first line in the email, and then it's going to grab the text under body and insert that as the message for the email. So now that the document is created, let's open that and see how it looks. So it also inserts the email in the header, and the reason why is for the next stage in the process. It's going to grab that email, which we could put it in white ink so you never see it, but it uses that to determine where it's sending the email to. So now it's converted to a PDF. Here it is in my inbox, and now we can open up and we can see it's exactly the same. This took a lot of work to do. Here is the breakdown of it under AppScript. First, we generate a document. After the document's generated, we have a new function down here, send as an email PDF, so it's going to break it down. I broke this down into 2 buttons because it was working so fast that it would convert the document into a PDF before it even had the time to write the text into the document. So I was getting blank PDFs. So that's the reason why we have 2 buttons in the spreadsheet. I tried slowing it down with like a REST code, but that wasn't working either. So the 2 buttons seems to be working the best. I'm going to include the entire source code in a Google document in the description below. So if you want to take a look at that, copy and paste to create your own Google sheet from there and expand upon this video, feel free to do so. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.